You're here because you just saw a TikTok video, you clicked the link, and you've probably been trying to find a working from home situation or maybe a remote work situation where you can work anywhere in the world. Mexico, Spain, your living room, the hot tub, doesn't matter. I'm in my house right now working from home, and I've been doing that for the past 3 years. I'm not here to sell you anything, and I'm not here to give you empty promises. I'm simply here to give you a simple process that's a couple steps with information that you already have, assets that you already have, so that you can start today and find your first paying client within the next 24 hours. And by paying client, you don't need a business. I just want to mention that. We're going to take care of all that for you. The truth is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So, to start making money, all you need is a proven system, a way to connect with people, a way to find those people, and a way to get results for those people. Here are 3 easy, simple steps on how to do that, and let's jump into it.
Step 1, you need to find business owners who are already active on TikTok. Here's how you do it. Open up TikTok like this and go to the search bar. Here's a search bar right here. You're going to type in keywords for people, business owners that we're looking for. So for an idea, a business coach, real estate agent, social media marketer, agency owner, those are the types of businesses that we're going after. So let's just do agency owner. And perfect one, a day in the life of an agency owner. So people who are making these videos are agency owners. Now what we can do is go into their profiles and scroll and see. So we can go into this one. And what you want to find is, this is a marketing strategist. You want to find somebody that is running their business, they're doing content, and they probably need more sales calls. And from there, you want to also look at and make sure that they don't have a huge amount of followers. Excuse me. So a great amount of followers is anywhere under 10K. If they have upwards of 10, 15K, might not be the best fit. So this would be a perfect person, right? And then we would just simply follow them. So this is step 2. Step 1 is find them. Step 2, follow them. And then we'll send them a message, right? So we have our message that we can send. And then this is a great message. So we're going to go to the person and we're going to paste this message. You can grab this message and use it yourself. Great content you're posting, Keeks. Awesome. And then we'll say, that's it. Great content you're posting, Keeks. I'm assuming from the content you post, you're using social media DMs to book sales calls or grow your business, right? If not, let me know. I can share a quick vid of how the FlowChat software. So FlowChat is going to be the software that we send them a link to. If you're running your own offer or whatnot, you can send them and use this as well. Send them to your own offer. But if you want to jump on our offer, use us as your product, as your everything, then this is the way to do it. And then we'd send that, and that's it. You're done. You just have to wait for a response. Once she responds back, you will send them a link. And to know the exact link to send, go ahead, click the survey. If you're a good fit, you'll get into our FlowChat Affiliate Academy, and from there, you'll get the links to send over. So yeah, that is step 3. Once Keeks over here says, yes, I'm interested, I want that, here you go. Here's a link to book a call with the FlowChat team, or here's a 2-minute overview of the FlowChat software, what it does. Let me know if you want to book a call with the team or if you want to purchase right away. And guess what? If Keeks purchases right away, the lowest you'll get is about $61 per month in USD commissions, lifetime, as long as Keeks here keeps paying. And from the other side, the highest you can go is 25% of about a $9,000 deal on an annual white label plan. So really cool there. Sky's the limit. And that's it on steps 1, 2, and 3. So you now know how to find somebody on social media, but let's just say specifically TikTok, that is a business owner that might be looking for some help. And we have a solution for them. So we can reach out to them with a message that now you know, and you can get a response back. And if you do this, let's just say 10 times a day, even if one person responds back, that's 10% response rate, you're going to start stacking that commissions. So excited to see what you guys can do.
Imagine putting in the work today and waking up tomorrow to your first potential paying client saying, yes, I'm in. That's what's possible with this strategy. Now, if you don't already have a product or service that you're currently offering, no problem. You can use FlowChat's backing, use our product, our case studies, our client testimonials, and our sales team, plus our onboarding and fulfillment team and support team, so that you can just focus on reaching out to people and getting them on calls with our team. That's all you need to do. So if you think this is a good opportunity, we've built the FlowChat Affiliate Academy to help you earn $500 plus in monthly recurring revenue every month within 30 days. It's a step-by-step plan, even more detailed than what I shared with you today. And if you are not against trying it, you want to see if this is maybe a good fit for you, try it for 30 days free, no cost to you. You can make money. That's the whole point of this. Get your recurring revenue into $500 plus per month, which is $6K per year. Then go ahead, click the button below. It's going to be a couple questions. Simply answer them, submit them, and then you'll get access if we think you're a good fit. If not, we'll let you know where to go and what to do, and we'll go from there. So see you on the inside.